Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Pearlizer from SeneGence as a highlighter. So this is a sample, like a deluxe sample size of the Pearlizer. It actually comes in a really big bottle that will last you a very long time, which is the same size as our foundation or CCTM. So that is 1 fluid ounce, and it comes in an airless pump. But for today, I'm going to be using this deluxe sample because I really like the little applicator. So places that you can choose to apply Pearlizer as a highlight. First place I want to show you is you can apply it right under your eyebrows as a highlight, and then you can blend that in with your finger or with an eyeshadow brush. So you can see right there where it gives it an extra highlight. Another place you can apply highlight is right above your brow. So you might pick to apply your highlighter some of these places, not necessarily all, but I'm just going to show you a whole bunch of different places where you can apply. One of the really popular places to apply highlighter is right here, kind of above your cheeks, on the outer corner. You can also use it as an inner corner highlight. In your inner corner instead of a shadow. One of my favorite places to use Pearlizer as a highlight is on your nose because it just works so well. So I just apply it there. And then blend it in with my finger. And another fun place. Also, by the way, this is a brand new lip color I'm trying today, is fuchsia. Okay, so pretty. So, other place, you can apply this. Is this a highlight right above your lips? Some people apply it to the chin. I don't really want to usually draw attention there, so I usually would not apply, but if you have an awesome chin, you could do that. So you can see those different places, this side without highlight versus this side that just catches the light a little bit more. Super fun. I'm gonna even this out so I won't be having highlight on just one side of my face. So let me know in the comments where you, also this is super cool because you can actually blend it in with your foundation if you want like an all over luminous look. So let me know in the comments where you like to use highlighter. If you're interested in any SeneGence products, get in touch with me using the links below, and I hope you have a fabulous day.